Okay, Riv and Karina, 3, 2, 1, and we're live, people.
Let's now go to Mark, live on the scene with an A+ Garage Doors exclusive.
Garage Circus. I'm live in St. George, Utah, where some clown is stuck under his garage door.
What's that horn thing he's using to get attention?
It appears as though he's trying to call for help. Apparently, this clown doesn't own a phone. If he did, he would call A+ Garage Doors.
And there you have it, folks. If you need your garage door fixed by the best team in Utah, call A+ Corsage S'mores. Again, that's A+ Massage Your Pores.
You have the right to call A+ Garage Doors.
You know, this is my house.
Save it, Joy Boy.